Have you ever wondered if there could be more? To maintaining a happy and healthy private life as you age, if you're over 55 and starting to notice changes in today, this video is for your body. We're investigating a commonly overlooked the possible advantages of subject pile massages, improve your sexual health, build confidence, and improve your private life by the end of this video. You'll understand more than simply the physical benefits, as well as the emotional, the relationship that these technologies uphold us to acquire expert knowledge and methods of treatment that can reduce stress and restore your confidence. Won't want to ignore the important guidance. Finally, we will share, including utilizing natural oils to attain even higher results and how this could be the key to revival of your close relationship. If you're willing to embrace a different life, chapter on vigor and sustaining relationships, watching till the very end I encourage anyone who hasn't signed up to do so, and activating the warning bell to be careful not to miss any movies that thank you so much for your support, and if you enjoyed this video, you may assist me continue imparting the valuable teachings by mature, enjoy and share it. Before diving into this extremely crucial topic, I'd want to to remind you that getting older is a journey full of adjustments, some subtle, whereas others are more obvious in a single place, where these changes can result in noticeable throughout our intercourse, but it's vital to comprehend that these modifications are not a sign of loss or degradation, rather they present a substantial opportunity for. In order to rediscover our bodies, IES redefines us. Intimacy and, most importantly, embrace an improved knowledge of sexual health and thoughtfulness. Compared to earlier, these are not only a means of enjoying the body, they are an approach that blends the creative, concerning therapeutic touch with regulated pressure. In specific bodily areas of men organ, much like other forms of treatment. This massage's objective is to encourage well-being promotes health, and yes, bring your sexual function back to life. There are numerous health advantages to massages, particularly as they may help to improve blood flow, to ease the strain in the pelvic region muscles and give the tissues in the body energy. Penis, all of which are necessary for maintaining a sexually healthy function. These massages work well for stimulating and relax while ensuring that your body remains competent and responsive in spite of the years past. It is essential to understand, don't let that pile massage fool you. Mere erotic stimulation instead complies with medical and therapeutic protocols intended to help men who could face difficulties such as a decreased sexual desire, rectal dysfunction, or conditions of early ejaculation that become more common as we advance older. But overcoming these issues is not. All that matters is restoring function, about raising living standards,
restoring confidence, and igniting the intimacy that could eventually wane. Actually, in spite of the challenges associated with aging, traditional Chinese medicine has long felt that massages of this type do more than just promoting intercourse. By applying pressure on key areas, these methods aim to balance the body's vital energy, or qi, which leads to a higher sensation of overall well-being and vitality. It's a thorough approach that not just provides the body with nourishment and replenishment, the spirit while you embark on your adventure. Remember that you are sexual. Your well-being is an essential part of your overall health and satisfaction with care. Patience and an open mind are numerous chances to look into empowering you to reinterpret and proclaim closeness that works for you. If you're still watching this video and learning about these, if you find these lessons useful, please leave a comment below to let me know you're still here. I believe that P massages provide a variety of goals that offer both concrete and psychological benefits, particularly for men as they age. Because of a health viewpoint, one of the primary advantages is their ability to enhance blood circulation in the penis's vicinity the elasticity of arteries tends to decrease with age. decline, resulting in our aerial stiffness that could prevent blood flow. This instantly reduced circulation impacts the quality of erections. It's difficult to start or maintain using precise control to achieve a powerful erection pressure via massage with vasodilatation is encouraged, resulting in the smooth the muscles of the penis and increases blood flow, which can therefore significantly increase a man's potential for achievement and keep your erection firm, which aids enhanced sexual performance in addition to overall penile health. Yet, the benefits of penis massages are more than just the physical from a mental standpoint. Furthermore, they have great success in reducing the tension and anxiety related to having sex is not uncommon. For males, particularly older ones of 50, to experience the feelings of apprehension regarding their to behavior in private environments, this insecurities can create a vicious cycle where anxiety tied to performance leads to issue that is only exacerbated by focusing on relaxation and supporting pile massages for health reasons may conflict with. They allowed a man to enter this terrible cycle, restore communication with his body in a fresh, less focused on achievement and more sympathetic approach that reduces the anticipations that typically precede sexual experiences. This technique helps shift the focus, distance from achieving a specific objective, and emphasizes relaxing more. Intimacy and pleasure in connection with the recommended types of penile massages to improve sexual performance there. There are many approaches to consider. In fields, these are commonly utilized, such as urinary system physiotherapy or certain sexual practices mentioned below, are some of the most strongly recommended. Each type emphasizes the significance of caring for oneself and the requirement to use these techniques in a rhythmic, restrained, and focused style. This particular type of massage involves applying it gently and carefully, substantial pressure along the shaft of the penis, employing rhythmic flowing motions that travel the whole distance of the organ. The primary goal of the technique is to encourage more blood flow. This is required to promote better general health and penile function. By focusing on rhythmic movements, the A massage encourages the patient to unwind. The smooth muscles of the penis and the region surrounding the pelvic, allowing enhanced effectiveness of circulation. In addition to this technique, strengthens the muscles that are necessary to keep things under control, erections, making it an excellent exercise to make the muscles more rigid and length of erections to the longest possible. The benefits of rhythmic massage include strongly encouraged to complete this approach in a serene environment. Because of his kaling environment, the man is able to total relaxation of the body and mind. It is necessary for the successful completion of the once the mind and body are free, massage. Under stress, tension subsides, enabling in order to restore the man's relationship with his body in a more important way that this relaxation enhances the mass's efficacy by establishing a comfortable environment and allowing the advantages of enhanced circulation to gradually become fully visible. Regular rhythmic massages can be beneficial to a stronger and healthier sexual response, offering benefits outside of the physical world, but also a sense of revitalized confidence and mental well-being as a manual ring approach, which entails producing the thumb and index finger create a circle finger, which is then cautiously extracted from the base to the tip of the penis. The objective is to provide exactly the appropriate pressure that is powerful enough to encourage circulation, while staying mild enough to use this sliding action to avoid discomfort. When done carefully and consistently, greatly improves blood flow across the penis's tissues, which are vital to maintaining both the robustness and longevity of an erection, as well as increasing the manual ring circulation method is incredibly effective at stimulating nerves terminates along the shaft of the penis. This increased amount of stimulation could result in enhanced sensitivity, making it the ideal technique for men who have witnessed reduction in sensitivity across private circumstances that commonly occur by using AG to revive these nerves pathways. This technique allows for a deeper and more pleasurable sensory encounter experience, revitalizing emotions that may have deteriorated over time, leading to especially the manual ring method beneficial in that it not only offers improvements to the physical capabilities of the aircraft, but adds additional feeling as well. Intimate connection by strengthening. This sensitivity allows guys to be more sensitive to both the physical and emotional nuances of intercourse that led a deeper, more captivating encounter. It's a approach that promotes both physical reunion and regeneration on an emotional level, making it an excellent technique for those want to revitalize their private life to achieve the best results. It is recommended that employing this technique methodically and gradually in a location where you can relax and comfortable, creating a calm environment. By getting rid of distractions, you can focus on the sentiments and benefits of massage slowly, blending the ring technique by hand, even if this technique doesn't start stimulating. The penis massaging the perianal area between the genitalia and the anus can have a major effect on sexual effectiveness, and overall well-being of the perineum is a really delicate place, packed with nerve endings and blood vessels, and it can be triggered in order to enhance blood flow across the pelvis region that immediately helps the rectal. This type of massage's purpose, in addition to enhances circulation and helps with relax the pelvic floor muscles, which are necessary for sexual well-being by lowering these muscles' stress. Penile massage improves proficiency in ejaculation, resulting in a strong or massage in addition to a sustained erection. Perineum can lead to a notable sensation of relaxation and serenity. Stress and anxiety are important. Barriers to having fun with sex. The perineal massage has benefits that extend beyond physical benefits. It cultivates a deeper connection to the body that allows increased consciousness and intimacy throughout sexual interactions in a range of traditions, such as traditional Chinese medical hypothesis states that the perineal, the secret is keeping the region balanced. Qi, or the energy of the body, results in enhanced vigor and sexual performance. This all-encompassing approach to sexual health emphasizes the value of nurturing equilibrium of energy and feelings, as well as placing a focus on measurable outcomes for people that are interested in getting a massage routine to a higher level, as essential oils like ginger or rosemary can increase both oils' benefits. Well known for their energizing and vasodilating characteristics, which show they promote the growth of blood vessels and enhance blood flow when used during these oils, provide a massage that is warming. Sensation that results in blood on the skin, blood to the area of the penis, which causes firmer, more powerful erections. Essential oils' revitalizing qualities further increase sensitivity, making the more efficient and pleasurable massage. In particular, ginger oil is widely recognized because of its ability to promote circulation and reduce inflammation. Thus, it's a perfect choice for individuals coping with real issues resulting from insufficient blood supply. However, historically, rosemary oil has been used due to the fact that it stimulates both the mind and body, helping to relax stress while promoting blood flow. Together, these oils have the power to transform a simple massage into a powerful therapeutic interaction that not only enhances sex, but additionally promotes calmness and a cozy mood and well-being. But it's crucial to technique for applying essential oils cautiously before putting them in always directly on sensitive parts. Patch testing should be done on a small area of your skin in order to make sure you have an unpleasant reaction to skin contact. Irritation dilutes the essential oils. Utilize an oil carrier, such as coconut or almond oil, is essential when used properly. The massage can be greatly enhanced by oils, experience helping you achieve greater serenity and improved sexual health, including essential oils in your. Furthermore, massage during pregnancy may promote a more creation of a conscious and pleasurable experience, your connection to your body, and allowing for a more thorough and enriching private life. The combination of therapy enhances your physical and the state of mind that causes you to feel refreshed and confident in your sexual performance that transcends the physical effects that pile has to be identified. Massages offer an opportunity for restoring one's emotional connection to oneself, especially when spoken with a friend who possesses the as we age, our closeness. The speed and meaning of life are constantly shifting, decreasing velocity as the body adjusts. Yet this does not mean that intimacy is required. To become less satisfying or less maturity's beauty is in its significance in the ability to seek intimacy with heightened awareness, sensitivity, and practicing mindfulness, like getting a massage if you're keeping watching this video and learning these courses are beneficial. Please provide a kindly let me know in the comments section below that you remain by my side for those who discuss these messages with a friend. It becomes a group gesture of generosity and connection, where intimacy is no longer only about accomplishing a specific objective similar to an orgasm, but with the idea of expanding the joint and tactile presence to establish a bond. Enjoy the closeness that can often be expanded. Using this technique leads to a more fulfilling sexual experience, as well as studies in the urological and sexological disciplines, supports the notion that pile massages could be a helpful tool for avoiding or reducing age-related sexual. A study found that 40% of dysfunctions, 55% of men come across some sort of aerial challenges or disruptions in maintaining sexual function, can generate irritation, self-doubt, and massages without pain and feelings of inadequacy. A non-invasive and natural solution provide an opportunity to actively address these problems by raising increased blood flow, relax stiff muscles, and regular massage can promote tissue health, may help counteract the effects of aging on sexual activity. In addition to the benefits of this approach for psychology, such include reducing anxiety and increasing self-confidence may be just as crucial. In overcoming sexual obstacles, sexuality and maturity are important elements of overall health. It's imperative to shift the narrative away from seeing the changes brought about by consider aging as a challenge instead as opportunities to research new kinds of pleasure, offers sustenance, and redefines intimacy. The body in possibly surprising ways, vital or taken for consideration, while younger pillow massages are an excellent tool for maintaining more than merely sexual vigor, but also the values they uphold on personal health, an act of self-care, both mentally and physically emotional backing for the idea that enjoyment and connection never go away as people age, but has the capacity to grow into more thoughtful, more profound, and more. These massages are gratifying overall, a method for determining the body's capacity for pleasure, even as it evolves over moment. They help individuals adopt a more careful handling of sexuality, in which the emphasis moves away from performance to presence, from outcome to experience. This approach cultivates an enhanced awareness of one's own physique that encourages sexual and overall well-being, but also self-assurance and emotional equilibrium, contentment, and intimacy with oneself. Or panel massages are a buddy in this way. They are much more than a technique. Path to completely experiencing the degree of intimacy, even in the later stages of life, as we approach the end of this insightful journey into understanding the benefits of P massages and the deepest aspects of intimacy. And hello, kindly let us know what you think. Discuss how these techniques can be better instead of solely physical.